Today we are in our recently built Ogilvie repair shop in Ogilvie, Minnesota. It's a shop that we built to service all our internal equipment, propane, ag, retail, to service our whole company, try to keep everything in-house. So we were working out of our current ag shop. We've continued to do more stuff in-house, and we were basically in each other's way and on top of each other. And so we needed more room to expand and be more efficient. As Federated Co-ops, we're very customer orientated, we're high service. We wanted to work with someone that was willing to partner with us, work with us, not just try to sell us something.
Federated had a set vision in mind when talking about this project. Energy Equipment worked closely with their team to identify possible issues and elements that were going to require some more problem solving so we could avoid any potential issues right from the start.
We wanted a way to get our team in and out and back on the road with the least amount of time lost. So we wanted to make our oil system as efficient as we possibly could.
We had about 80 feet of shop space to work with. Within that 80 feet, all of our equipment had to fit. We had 3 bulk tanks as well as some smaller poly tanks. And so really we had to think outside the box to find a creative solution. To overcome these challenges, we worked with one of our preferred vendors to help us design thinner, taller tanks that would fit in this space without being too top heavy.
We knew we wanted to have more data points. We knew we wanted to learn more about where our lubricants were going and what the different equipment was using. And the team from CHS was able to help us find a reasonable way to monitor that and keep track of that.
We introduced Federated to the OilCop system, which is a fluid management system. This system's been around for quite some time, but hasn't really been used that much within our industry. We saw it as a solution that would better fit their budget and provide the overall functionality they were looking for.
It is a system that's going to allow us into the future to gain more data and insight. Ordering everything in bulk, we had no idea what was going where before. Now we have a detailed idea of where every bit of lubricants are going in our system. This was kind of a build from scratch, build to tailor to what we needed project. So there were a lot of changes and a lot of hurdles along the way. And one of the things that I really liked about the CHS team is they would always say, John, we don't know what we want to do today. Just give us a little bit of time. We will dig into it and we will find a solution.
A project of this scale is bound to come with some hurdles. But one great thing about working with CHS Energy Equipment is we're able to leverage our partnerships and relationships across the network. One custom element of this project was a service window where Federated's customers and drivers could pull right up to the shop from the outside and fill up on products they needed.
We wanted to have a place where our employees could get oil, DEF, antifreeze, windshield washer fluid without ever coming into the building. So we needed an elaborate pumping system to get to there.
The service window component of this project was a great solution to free up space within the shop layout, but also allow the Federated team to stay focused on the mechanical job inside the shop.
If we can have drivers come in, get a quick service and oil change and out the door because of the system we put in. We have the outside doors so we can have people come get our 4 products and never come in the building and disrupt my technician. So we can continue to be efficient and continue to work because we now have everything built out the way we need it. We have a state-of-the-art system that will service us now and into the future.
Energy Equipment is here to provide solutions that can help our customers be more successful. We know their success is our success.